Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to change your profile picture for your local account in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So first off, what you need is a picture. Okay, so I have a picture of a really cute polar bear right here. Isn't it cute? It's very cute. Okay, so another thing to take note, you're gonna right click on this, on the photo that you have, properties, make sure it says JPEG. Okay, so once that's sorted out, you're going to go into your into your start button right here, right click on it and click on settings. Okay, in settings you're going to go here, accounts. Okay, and in accounts you're going to go to the first option right here, your info, and then here you can either take a photo if you have a camera connected to your computer, or you can choose a file. We're going to choose a file, browse files, click on browse files, go into the place where you've pasted your photo, choose the picture, and bam, you have a photo for your local account. So basically that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped, and yeah, thanks for watching, peeps.